Alright, so we'll start with exercise 2.1. Okay, oops. Exercise 2.1, rational numbers. Okay, the first question is express each of the following rational numbers in the standard form. Okay, so the numbers are not in a standard form and we have to bring them in a standard form. So first one, A, it's minus 35 upon 25. Alright, so I'll write over here. Okay. So minus 35 upon 25. So we have to divide this. We can divide this, okay, with 5 5s are and 5 7s are. Okay, that will be equal to minus 7 by 5. Now can we further divide it? No, we can't further divide it. So this will be the standard form. Alright. Second one, okay, B is 32 by minus 40. Okay, so whenever you see a minus sign in a denominator, take it to a numerator. Okay, so this will become minus 32 by 40. Now can we divide this? Yes, it goes in 8 table. 8 4s are 32 and 8 5s are 40. So the answer would be minus 4 by 5. So this will be the standard form for this one. Okay, C minus 225 divided by 465. Okay, so we know the 15 square is 225, so we'll divide this with 15. Okay, so minus 225 again 465. Okay, so 15 15s are 225. Okay, 15 3s are 45, 1 carry, 15 15 ones are, so this will be minus 15 by 31. Alright, the last one, D. Okay, minus 484 upon minus 572. Okay, in such a case we'll first cancel out the negative sign, so it will become 484 upon 572. If you see, we can divide this with 11. Okay, 11 4s are 44, again 4 will be over here, 44, so 11 4s are 44. 11 5s are 55, 2 over here, 22, 11 2s are. So what it gives us, 44 by 52. We can divide it further with 4. 4 11s are, okay, and 4 13s are. So the answer would be 11 by 13. Alright. Okay, next, second question we'll do. Express 3 by 7 as a rational number with a numerator 12. Okay, so the first one we have to express 3 by 7. Okay, take A. So we have to express 3 by 7. Okay, this number, okay, which is in a standard form, okay, into a non-standard form, that would be that the numerator is 12. Okay, but it will have end of the time when you divide it, it should come, the same number should come. Okay, so we want numerator to be 12. Okay, so numerator is 1 at the top. Okay, denominator is the down part. So what number, so 3 by 7 multiplied by what number will give us 12? Okay, so we know that 3, if you multiply by 4, it will give us 12. Now similarly, whatever number you are multiplying at the top, we have to multiply at the bottom. Okay, so if you see, 4 and 4 will get cancelled and finally we will have the same standard number. So we'll multiply 7 4s are, it's 28. So now we have a number where the numerator is 12 and the denominator is 28. If you reduce it or if you bring this number in a standard form, it will come to 3 by 7. Alright. Okay, so similarly, the second one, the numerator, okay, b, the numerator should be minus 27. Now again, 3 by 7 multiplied by what will give you minus 27. So we know that in 9's table, 9 threes are or 3 9s are. So, but we have a negative sign also. So we'll multiply with negative 9. So whatever you're multiplying at the top, you'll also multiply at the bottom. That means in a denominator. So 7 9s are 63. So it will be minus 63. Okay. Now if you will divide this number, it will again come to standard form. It will come to 3 by 7. Okay. Negative sign will get cancelled. And 9 3s are 9 7s. And the answer would be 3 by 7. Okay. So similarly, we'll go for the third one. Okay. C. Again, we want 3 by 7 multiply by something so that we get 91. Now this time they are saying it should be in a denominator. So 91. Okay. So 7 multiplied by what will give you 91. So we know 7 multiplied by 13 will give us 91. Now whatever number you're multiplying over here, you have to multiply the same thing at the top so that it gets cancelled and the answer remains in a standard form. So 13 3s are 39. So our answer is this. D1, D, okay, they want the denominator to be minus 63. Okay, so 3 by 7 multiplied by what will give us a denominator of minus 63. So we know minus 9. Okay, so this one will also be multiplied by 9 and hence this will be 27. Alright, so this is the second exercise. Third one will see list 5 rational numbers between 0 and 1. Okay, so there are two rational numbers that are given to us. Okay, and they want us to, this is the third one, list 5 rational numbers between 0 and 1. Okay, 0 and 1. Okay. Now 0 and 1, 0 can be written as 0 by 1. Okay, okay, in a rational number form p by q, this will be the answer for this. Okay, and similarly 1 in a rational number form p by q format, you can write it as this. If you multiply both sides, okay, over here by 10, okay, that shouldn't make any change, it will still remain 0. And similarly if I multiply both sides over here 10, again 10 10 will get cancelled and the answer will remain this. 10 10 will get cancelled and the answer will remain this. Now 0 multiplied by 10 would be 0. 1 multiplied by 10, it will give us 10. Okay, so this is a non-standard form of these numbers. Okay, so 0 by 10 and we got 10 by 10. So 10 by 10 will get cancelled and finally we will get the same number 1. Okay, but it makes us easier to find the rational number between two numbers, that is 0 and 1. Now you can find the numbers. So the number between 0 upon 1, you can say it is 1 upon 10, 2 upon 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, okay, 5 by 10. So we start with 0 by 10. Okay, since we don't need 0 by 10, we need a number between 0 by 10 and 5, 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 8 by 10, 9 by 10 and 10 by 10. Okay, so we want 5 numbers between 0 and 1. Now this is a non-standard form of writing 0 or a rational number form of writing 0, and this is a rational number form of writing 1. 10 10 will get cancelled and finally what will remain is 1 in a standard form. So now we can say any 5 number you can choose from these. Okay, that will be the rational number between 0 and 1. If you see, this is nothing but this. If you write it, it is 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3 and so on. Okay, so these are the numbers which are between 0 and 1, but we are supposed to write in P by Q format. So we can't write like this. Okay, so don't write this. Okay, so we'll just write it in P by Q format. Okay, so these are the numbers. You can choose any 5. So this is the first one. We'll do the second. Second one is 3 and 4. Okay, similarly B 3 and 4. Okay, so what are the numbers between? So again we'll do the same thing. We can write 3 as, we'll multiply both sides. Okay, 3, you can write 3 by 1 and this as 4 by 1. Okay, you can multiply this by 10 and divide by 10. So multiply and divide by 10. So you're not making any changes. So this becomes 30 by 10 and 40 by 10. So now you can find the rational numbers between 30 by 10 and 40 by 10. So this will be 31 by 10, okay, 32 by 10, 33 by 10 and so on. You can write till 39 by 10 because for, okay, this is, okay, because 40 by 10 would already be the number 4. Okay, 0 0 will get cancelled and this will be 4. Okay, so you can choose any number, any of these 5 numbers. Okay, and that will be the in a rational form for numbers between 3 and 4. Okay, so we'll do the C1 now. Okay, C is -3 and -3.5. Over here, if you multiply both sides by 10, okay, we won't get 5 numbers. So what we'll do, we'll multiply it by 100 because there are infinite numbers between two rational numbers. You can multiply with whatever you want. Okay, so we'll multiply this again. We'll multiply -3 by 1 into 100 upon 100 and -3.5 upon 1 into 100 upon 100. Now this will give us -300 upon 100 and -350. Okay, so this decimal will jump 2 places. 350 upon 100. All right, now you can write n number of numbers. There are around 49 numbers will be coming between this. So you can start with, so minus, between -300 upon 100, this you cannot include. After that you can write 301 upon 100, 302 upon 100 and so on till -349 upon 100. Okay, you cannot include the last one, that is -3 amps, so it won't write. Okay, so till here you can write. Okay, so all these numbers are numbers between 3 and 3.5. D. Okay, D is an interesting one. Okay, half and 3 by 4. Okay, now whenever you're writing, okay, just make sure that the denominators are same. Okay, so over here if you see, in all the cases the denominators were same, 100 100, 10 10, 10 10. Okay, So we have to make the denominators same. So how we can make? So we know if you multiply 2 by 2, it will give us 4. So half can be written as half multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Okay, so in this case it will become 2 by 4. Okay. If I divide it, it will again come to half. And 3 by 4 can be written as 3 by 4. Now the the denominators are the same. Okay. Now simply you have to multiply by 10. Okay. So 2 by 4 you multiply denominator and numerator by 10, which will give you 20 by 40, and 3 by 4 you multiply and divide by 10, it will give you 30 by 40. Now we have to find the numbers between 20 and 40 and 30 and 40. So we can simply, we know 21 upon 40, 22 upon 40, 23 upon 40, 24 upon 40, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 upon 40, and that's it, 29 upon 40 because 30. So these are the numbers that are between half and 3/4. Okay, all right. E here is half and half. Okay, so negative half and positive half. So again the same thing, we'll multiply both sides by 10. It will become 10 by 20 and minus 10 by 20 and plus 10 by 20. So what are the numbers in between minus 10? So you can write it as, so minus 10 by 20. Okay, let's see. So it will be minus 9 by 20, minus 8 by 20, and so on. It will come till minus 1 by 20, then 0 by 20, 1 by 20, 2 by 20, so on till 10 by 20. Okay, before that it will be 9 by 20. Okay, so all these numbers are between half and minus half. You can take any 5 numbers. Okay, so these are the numbers between half and minus half. All right, this is for E. Oops. Okay, E, then the last one, F. Okay, so we'll quickly wrap this up. Minus 3 by 5 and minus 1 by 3. Okay, so minus is the sign is over here, you can take it up. Okay, so minus 1 by 3. Now again the denominators need to be same. It is two different. So we know that 5 we can find the LCM. Okay, so we know it is 15. So we have to make both the terms 15. So minus 3, okay, and 5. 5, how we can make 15? You can multiply it by 3, it will become 15. So it will be minus 9 upon 15 and minus 1 by 3. How you can make 3 15? You will multiply it by 5. So you will also multiply over here. It will be minus 5 by 15. Okay, so now we have numbers in standard form. Okay. Now you can find any 5 numbers are there. So what we can do is we can even multiply it by 0, multiply by 10 again. So this will become minus 90 by 150, and this will become minus 50 by 150, and you can find the numbers between them. Okay, so the numbers will be like minus 51 by 150, minus 52 by 150, so on till minus 89 by 150. Okay, because after that minus 90 by 150. Okay, this you cannot include, but all the numbers in between, this you can include. Alright, we'll stop over here. Okay, bye.